Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I have a 12 by 12 inch canvas and a couple of scrape dishes of leftover color, and I think I'm going to use them in the quickest way possible. We'll see what happens. I'm going to throw some mead and white paint in a puddle in the center. And that paint on top of it. Hate to waste it. Time to throw that in the bucket. I don't want my yellow there yet. I have made up a color with the purple neon from Folk Art and some iridescent pearl fine. I'm just going to add colors I like when I want to, assuming I can find them. I've been playing with this color today and I love it. It's I'm almost out of it, which is too bad because it's from Arteza and it's an electric blue. This is an Artist Loft purple. That's a gold, Decor Americana gold. I'm not sure what this is. This is a red orange. It's very red. I think that's where I'm going to put my orange with gold in it. And get rid of that. Too. Now, what do I want? I want some of the Venetian blue, and I don't see it. So let's do a little bit more Decor Americana 24 karat gold with the orange in it. I haven't used any hot orchid today, and it looks like it's still mixed. No matter what this starts like, I will figure out a way to make it work, I hope. And I'm still looking for that blue. Where did you go, blue? There you are. I could swipe this. I really could. I gotta be careful. I don't want too much paint. Maybe I'll just wait and add some. This is the Anita's White Metallic. I do need an edge catcher. I hope I have one handy. I do! That's awesome. Let's just let everything go where it wants to for a while before I decide what I want to do, because I could really swipe this. Sorry, it's getting dark in my studio. I think I want some more black. Let's just let that all go over here right now. I love accidental art. Let's let that go down that way. Somebody asked me to wreck things today. I'm not sure if I'm up for that, but this would be a great one to do it on. Let's let the paint roll down, rock the edge catcher, try and keep it from escaping. Great colors. Happy with these colors. I just have that one little spot I want to cover. I should just cover that with my finger. Because tipping is ridiculous. If you don't want to lose something, don't lose it. That's why I use golden iridescent. Excuse me. That's why I use GAC 800 from Golden. Wow. My brain is fried today. Okay, so do I want to swipe anything? I could. I could steal a little bit of... use this round thing. Let's just steal a little of the mead and paint. I want that to go right over the side. And it will too, because it's really, really black. No matter how thin it is, it's amazing. It's on my Amazon link. If everything else is moving a little bit, that's okay too. I like this white spot over here. I'm not sure what else I want to move, if anything. I like the orange too. Let's see what I can get off of my edge catcher. Seems like I have quite a bit of paint right on my tile. Now on me too. Which shouldn't be a problem, covering my edge. I think we'll be done in a second. So I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Check out some of my 1800 videos on creative playlists, all playlists. I want to swipe a couple more places, but I'm really nervous about ruining something cool. And I want some white metallic right in there, because I kind of like that spot. You know what I could do? I could be very brazen and take my airbrush or less brazen and take my straw. I don't want to do much to that. I like most of this. I'm going to take a minute to clean myself up here pretty quick. I'm looking for some wet paint and it's all, I keep cleaning it up. Ooh, that was some pretty paint. I should have scraped that up with my spatula. So, I am covered on all sides, it looks to me like. And I've got some beautiful cells and I have some gorgeous colors. I do sell my artwork. My email address is below the link tree underneath the video, and underneath the link tree you'll find my email address. Yes, that I said it twice. I shouldn't be doing this anymore. At least I can paint spontaneously. So let's waggle anything that needs a waggle, because that's where I put my own touch on things. And I still want a torch. There. I'm pretty happy with that. I love you guys. Thank you for all the contributions that helped keep me painting all this time. If you're looking for an opportunity to win one of my paintings, you might want to check out the prizes included on the exhibition video on the end screens of any video. I have a drawing once a month for those of you who donate through PayPal and Patreon, and I prefer PayPal. And if you do so, you're pretty much automatically entered. I'm looking for any little spots, like that shouldn't be square sort of thing. That looked like a little fishtail. I should have left that one alone. But I don't think it's going to hurt anything to have a couple of spirals in there. Some of them may not show up, but I love spirals. Some of them might. So, I guess I'm lucky. I have some beautiful cells, and I have some great friends. Thank you all for being here. If you're subscribed, thank you for still being here. If you're newly subscribed, please be welcome. If you're not subscribed, we'd love to have you, so please subscribe. That would be helpful. My paint pouring recipe is below the video. I've got some great cells here, here, and here. And I think I probably could have had more if I'd have swiped, but I like my composition, and it is leftovers after all. Sort of, kind of. Leftovers and puddle pours. And I should zoom in even closer. Let's see. Let's zoom in over there so you can see that. It's a small canvas. I got paint underneath my fingernails. It needs to get off. Oh, I'm sticking to my camera. Ew. Alright, Teespring Clothing underneath the video has Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts. And when you shop there, you help me out and I appreciate it. The same with my Amazon link. If you shop there, you help me out. And you can find my 2 books and all kinds of awesome tools there. Thank you for the wonderful comments to keep my morale boosted. Check out my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, on the Amazon link. Check out my Facebook groups on the link tree. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is for shopping. Pixels.com and Fine Art America. You can also find on the link tree. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is for checking out the albums of what I have edited from the YouTube artworks. If you are interested in any particular artwork and you want to contact me through my email, use the hashtag and the file number in the title of the of the video. Know that I have 18 lists of 100 videos ready for you to watch, and all of them are divided into topic and genre. If you need my recipe, it's under Show More underneath the video. If you have questions, please ask me. On the link tree also, you'll find my Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. Pinterest is where I post the video when it's about to air. Instagram is where my dailies go, and Twitter gets a video and some other posts once in a while. Not much into Twitter, but if you want to stop there, you could help my channel because there's nothing going on there as far as I can tell. Alright, so I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Bye for now. And know that I post right at this exact moment. I'm posting at 1:30 p.m. in the afternoon, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night at 10 p.m. also. So if you have questions, please ask me. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if I don't know the answer, I'll let you know that too. Bye for now. Priscilla out.